Howdy doodly neighborinos and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's me, voiceover coder, immediately. My beautiful, amazing, wonderful partner is currently home and he of course can be heard in the background playing video games, chilling out with his friends. So I want to respect his privacy and stuff, and I have removed all of the audio from these clips. So I do apologize, but you will not be hearing from Recording Coder today. Also, Recording Coder did not plug in her microphone, so the audio sounds like shit. The dumb bitch. Apologies, editing coder. I will be here and yap for a few minutes. I really don't have much to go over today. Mostly for the fact that I did not write a script or anything for this one. If you do see a brush that I'm using that you weren't interested in, please let me know. I'm also realizing that this video is going in and out of focus a lot, and I promise it does get better. I lied, it doesn't get better. I'm sure I notice at some point, at some stage. I don't know. I will have to correct that. Editing coder, work your magic. Thank you. Let me go have a look. Let me go have a look. Do 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 do. I will talk about the art a little bit. So just for reference, these emotes use a base from Takimikiku. I will tag them in the description. They are an amazing artist and they actually created a free to use emote base. So I use the emote bases as a reference guide for majority of my emotes. These ones specifically, I have a wonderful, amazing friend called Cozy Nana over on Twitch. She recently held a subathon. So during the subathon, Nana hosted a giveaway after one of the goals was reached, and the individual would either be able to choose from getting some free emotes made or getting some custom OC work or whatever they wanted done. The winner of this giveaway was Gaming Mama 88. She opted to go for some emotes. I had a brief discussion with her about what emotes she was looking for, what style, favorite color, and I also got her to send me a selfie. So Gaming Mama, her entire aesthetic is purple and she loves the cow print. She recently actually got a chair that has a cow print on it. So she wanted me to incorporate that in some way, which I was able to incorporate it as part of the shirt, but then I also was a little cheeky and added some like cow horns to the top of her head in areas where you'll be able to see it. But I think that is enough talking from me for now. I will leave you guys with the rest of the speed paint. I hope you will have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is for yourself, and I will catch you all next week. Bye. Also, sorry, real quick. Hi, recording Coda?
What?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
You never talk to me directly. What do you want?
Well, we now have beef.
What?
I don't know. There's just
Why do we have
the
beef?
internet wants us to have beef. Can't argue with her. Of course, she doesn't respond to me. Rude bitch.